myself Shivangi Desai. I'm your instructor for the video series of Python for Data Science. Today's our topic is linear regression. So let's get started. Well, linear regression is the basic and most commonly used type of predictive analysis. The linear regression analysis is used to predict the value of a variable based on the value of another variable. The variable you want to predict is called the dependent variable, and the variable that we are going to use to predict the another variable's value is called the independent variable. The equation to predict the value of an dependent variable is y is equal to mx plus b, where x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. The slope of the line is m and b is the intercept. Intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So let's understand how we can perform this linear regression in Python. Now to do so, we first have to import pandas, numpy and matplotlib.pyplot. Pandas is used to open the CSV file to fetch the data. Numpy is used for numerical operations and matplotlib.pyplot is used to plot the data of our CSV file. So here I am using read CSV function to open my CSV1 file. From this file, I am fetching the data of column age and point only, as both of this column contains numerical data. So, to perform this linear regression, we need to fetch the numerical data only. So, let's check the content of our CSV file. So, as you can see, in my data frame, we have the age and point column from the CSV1 file. Now, to plot our data, we are going to use scatterplot. Here I am plotting the value of age on the x-axis and point on the y-axis. And that's why I am giving the label to x-axis as age and y-axis as point. Now, using plt.scatter method, I am going to plot this data into the scatter plot. So, the first argument inside the scatter method is df.age and second argument is df.point, which means we want to plot the data of column age and point. I'm using color is equal to red to point my data points. So let's run this code. So here is the output of our code, which is the scatter plot, which is plotting the data of age and point. Now, to find the relation of the data, we have to draw the line from these points, and for that we are going to use polyfit and poly1d method of our numpy module. So let's run this code. So as you can see this, there is a straight line passing through our data, which means when the value of age is increased, the value of point also get increased. Now to perform linear regression, we are going to use scikit-learn module. Now we need to import linear underscore model from the sklearn library. So we are writing this code, that is from sklearn import linear underscore model. Now we need to create an object for this class, and for that we are calling this linear underscore model dot linear regression constructor, which will return the object of the class, using which we can call the method to perform regression. Now first we need to call the method fit. So using this object reg, we are calling the method fit. Fit method is used to fit the model. Now we need to pass two arguments. The first argument is the values for our independent variables, and second is the values for the dependent variables, which means in future we are going to predict the value of the points based on the age. So first we are passing the value of age from our data frame, and second for the point from our data frame. Using this data, we can create the model for the regression. So let's run this code. Now the formula of linear regression is y is equal to mx plus b, where y is the value which we want to predict, x is the value which we will pass, or we can say it's an independent variable. Now m is the coefficient of the x, which is also the slope of the line. So to retrieve the value of the coefficient, we can use COEF function. So here I am storing the value of this coefficient inside the variable m. Using this object reg, I am retrieving the value of coefficient for my formula y is equal to mx plus b. So let's run this code. So here you can see the output of this code is the coefficient for our formula y is equal to mx plus b. Now next we need to find out the value of b, which is the intercept of the formula, that is y is equal to mx plus b. Right. Now to calculate the intercept, we have to use this object reg. Using reg.intercept, we can find out the intercept for the formula. So let's run this code. So here is the output, which is our intercept of the formula. Now the formula of linear regression is y is equal to mx plus b. Now using this line of code, we have retrieved the values of coefficient as well as intercept. So we are going to place those values inside this formula, which is y is equal to mx plus b. So here is the value of m and b, which we have already retrieved. Now I am passing the value of our independent variable, that is x. So when I pass the value for the x, it will predict the value for the y, which is the value of our dependent variable. So let's run this code. So you can check here that it returns 82.56129032, which is the value of point based on the value of age that we have passed here. Now we can perform the same operation using the method predict. Given a trained model, this predict method will return the value of a new set of data. So let's run this code. Here I am calling the predict method using the object reg, in which I am passing 30, the same value that I have used inside this formula. So let's run this code. So now you can compare by yourself that both results are similar, which means this is the result that is calculated using the formula y is equal to mx plus b, whereas this is the result that has returned by the predict method. Both the results are similar for the same data value. So in this way, we can perform a simple linear regression using scikit-learn library. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.